Can you feel it? The thread between east and west, the pulse beneath the mounds, the dream still singing in the blood. They were never apart, only sleeping now. They remember, and so do you. And it should not be fire keepers true. Why do we win hearts in red and blue? You held the shore where waters part, guarded the map within your heart. When Lakota walked the western plain, you sent the dream on northern wind. Go in balance, walk with grace. We hold the east, you hold the place. We remember, we remember. One fire burns in every ember. How to know so many council-wise, eagles soaring through open skies, great law carved in living stone, voices raised as one alone to all. From Onondaga flame still glows, a beacon through the time of snows. When Lakotas who began to bend, you dreamed it whole and called it friend. We remember, we remember. Peace is low and love remembers. Padine with sand and starlight bright, chant way healing through endless night. Your patterns spin the soul back home through sacred words, no more to roam. You saw the sun dance in your dreams, the Lakotas cry in solar beams. Two paths, one fire, both aligned, to heal the mind that lost its kind. We remember, we remember. Beauty returns when truth remembers. First high beaming rays of the fenders. Hope beyond Mesa, high and still, watching stars fulfill the will. Blue star rises, can you see? It shines for them, it shines for me. You said we'll go to stand again. The cycle turns, the lie will end. Now voices rise from black hills deep, the promise kept, the world will leap. We remember, we remember. The fifth world sings where dreamers remember. I will do so, the southern fire. Sequoia, Cherokee, Muskogee, Creek and all, rooted deep where serpents crawl. Your syllables hold starborn code. Your plans recall the ancient road when tears fell hard and trails grew long. Lakota hid your sacred song beneath the stone. The bundle sleeps until the circle wakes and leaves. We remember, we remember. The buried word so softly trembles. It hide a strong where ocean meets the thunder song. Your totems rise with feathered crown, poles that pull the stars down. Whale and buffalo far apart, sing in tune, one beating heart. When Lakota calls across the plain, you answer back through salt and rain. We remember the earth's own voice still softly trembles. But the earth's of the softly Kiva, Chaco, Pueblo, in chambers deep and low, where Kivas breathe within her glow. You built the doorways to the sky where ancestors pass and sigh. When an eepee smoke rose on the hill, your fires burned with stronger will. Our flames are one, the elders cried. The center lives, the web survive. We remember, we remember. The star temple hums where silence remains. hide us strong where ocean meets the thunder song. Your totems rise with feathered crown, poles that pull the stars down. Whale and buffalo far apart, singing tune, one beating heart. When Lakota calls across the plain, you answer back through salt and rain. We remember Yard's own voice still softly tremble. But if I side to side I tremble. East whispers fire returns, south sighs roots awaken, west calls the people rise. North thunders, the circle holds, sky sings, you are seen, earth hums, you are home, center breathes, I am all. You did not come to witness this, you came to embody it and embody it.